Today I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the Epson Workforce WF-2850 printer. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here. And the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. First, lift the scanner bed until it locks into place. Make sure you do not move the print head by hand, otherwise you may damage your product. Do not touch the flat white cable inside the printer. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. Next, remove all of the ink cartridges. For each one, squeeze the tab on the cartridge and lift the cartridge straight up to remove it. If you're replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you, or mail them into the printer manufacturer free of charge for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. For this printer, your black ink is farthest on the left, followed by your yellow, magenta, and cyan in that order. After you've removed all of the ink cartridges, reinsert them one by one. Press each cartridge down until it clicks into place. If it is not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it in the right way up and that you are inserting it into the correct slot. Be careful not to touch the gold contact points on the cartridge, or it may damage the cartridge. Simple as pie. Now, you've installed one ink cartridge. Now, you'll need to install the other colors, the same way you just installed that last one. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the scanner bed and select Complete. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.